Hey folks, Victor, Englewood Floors and More, downtown historic Dearborn District in Englewood, Florida. Come see our showroom, 136 South McCall Road. This is a freshly oiled Duchatue floor with a wax finish. This is a Reclaime barnwood, heavily distressed floor. Duchatue has a line of floors where if you're dreaming of a floor that you would love, it's the floor of your dreams, and you just haven't seen it anywhere else, Duchatue has it. They have an incredible line of floors that are unlike any other floor out there. And they achieve their look perfectly to what they wanted with this stuff. This is such a good floor. The finish on this floor is so strong. About once a year you put the oil refinisher on there. You can see it's a little bit shinier, pretty shiny. It's only 2 days old to finish. They went away for a week. I came in and completely conditioned the floor. Really sweet floors here. The Duchatue, exclusively at Englewood Floors and More. This is the floor of your dreams right here. Literally, you want to get, you're spending a lot of money on a floor. You're trying to get that floor that is going to just totally make your house. Remember, the floor makes the room look beautiful. So that's it, folks. The Duchatue, Englewood Floors and More, Englewood Floor Store, downtown Englewood.